Hey, what are you doing?
Just stop.
Today welcome back to DMJ's World.
Guys, today we're doing DIY do it yourself.
Now,
This is when I have to stand up.
Trackles in it.
Oh,
Hey, what me?
this is when it's like, oh,
It was getting whipped off by Joshua.
so this one you
Whoa,
get
it
stuck.
looks good. Oh no. What's the problem?
There you go.
It's the fish that had to get inserted. And
Yeah.
how it stops going like that.
Yeah.
I found out.
We don't know what the medium ones are for.
I think the sort
Oh
of
no, what you done?
because I had this. Oh yeah, I have the.
Just stop.
I think this turns. There. Mum, is it supposed to go like this? Yeah, there. It's quite hard to get my window. Oh, no. Turn. Mum, I did it. I just had to turn it. Get to one, get to one. Ow. Why am I at the bomb? I have to look at the box. Here.
So you got this.
Oh yeah, not from there. It's like I have to slide it from the front. See that?
And you also got you.
Wait. There you. They're facing the wrong way. There you face that one the wrong way. There you facing the one the wrong way. Mine was facing a different way. Make it face that way. Because actually the other one is. I pushed it that way.
So that's it for today,
Yeah.
guys. This is finished product without using a manual. If you like this video, like, share,
And subscribe.
until then, bye!